Yes, I was thinking about moving to a new home. Since this home is we've been living in this home for 10 years. Yeah, I think it's time to find a new home. I hope the kids agree. Anyway, it's not up to them. It's up to us. Would you like me to tell them or you? You tell them. Okay. Kids. Ow. Kids. Yeah, Mom. What is it, Mom? Huh? Well, it might be good news for you guys, or it might be bad news. But I just want to let you know it's not up to you guys. Okay? Yeah, can you hurry? I'm texting my friend. Alright. Well, we are moving to a new home. A new home? Mom, I'm not leaving my friends. Yay, new home, yay! Well, Ashlyn, I'm sure it'll be good. You make new friends. I don't want new friends. It'll be great, trust me. Plus, the home is way bigger. Seriously? Yes, it's bigger, and also, while we live there, me and your father might get a pool for the backyard. Our new home is going to have a backyard? Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, let's go. Alright, I'm glad you changed your mind. I'm gonna text my friends. Well, anyway, we can still talk to each other on Tango or FaceTime. What did they say? Oh, they agree. Oh, well, great. So when are we moving? Tomorrow. Alright, tomorrow. Good. Oh, yeah. I better get the girls to bed now. I'll do it. You've done enough today. Thank you. Kids, get to bed. It's already 9. What? But today's Friday, and we usually go to bed at 10. No, we usually go to bed at 12 on Fridays. Well, since we have to wake up early tomorrow and to go to our new home, we want to get there early, right? So you can get some furniture and everything. Why don't we just mail the furniture there? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell that. We already mailed the furniture there, but still, we have to wake up early because we're moving to Las Vegas. Oh, Las Vegas? Yeah. Oh, I would like to stay in Texas. Well, you can't. What? But it's so nice here. It's nicer over there. Plus, they've got everything over there. Everything that you would want to go. Seriously, so once... Can you buy me a new phone if that broke? Sure. Thanks. Yeah, okay, kid. Alright, come on, brother and sister, let's go to bed. Alright, good night, kids. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'm so excited. Are you guys excited? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I forgot I dropped my phone. Let me go get it. Phone, Mom. Don't get mad that I'm up. I'm not going to use it while I sleep anyway. Okay, I am going to use it. My friend texted me. So tired. Maybe I should get to bed. Kids, get up. Today's the day. Yeah! But then again, I'm pretty sad because I'm going to have to leave my friends. I never had any friends, so I don't care. I had friends, but I can make new ones. Oh, yeah. Well, let's get going. All right. And all right, we already dropped your stuff at the house. Well, we actually mailed it. Wait, so I can only carry my phone and my bag? Yep. Yes. I was like worried that I would have to hold so many bags. Well, you don't have to. That's the good thing. Woo! Let's go. Yay! Come on, brother. Hurry up. You're so slow. On that snow. Here we are, kids. Wow, pretty plant there, isn't it? Ugh. Yeah, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I had to carry 2 things, but I really don't care. I should have put my phone in my purse, but my purse is too filled with makeup, so I couldn't. Oh, and kids, there is a slide in the backyard. A slide? Yeah, go check it out. It's just right over there. But it looks pretty dark over there. Well, we did get here pretty late. I want to go see it. Oh, Ashlyn, can you go with them to make sure that they don't wander off or fly off the swing? Sure. Can you take my bags inside? Yeah, thanks. On it first. No, I want to go on it. Guys. You can both go on it if you can both fit. Come on, just try it out. But brother is too. No, brother can't fit. Only me. Well, then you guys gonna have to take turns. Sister, swing me. Well, since I can't go on, then I'm going inside. I'm gonna pick out my room. I think Mom and Dad already picked out the room for us. Are you ready, sis? Yay! Whee! This is fun. I'm glad you're having fun. Okay, sis, let's go inside now. Okay. I want to go check out my room. Me too! Oh, this place is like a mansion. Yeah! Mom, Dad, where's our room? It's all the way upstairs. Woohoo! Let's go check it out, sis. Okay. Wow, look at all these toys. We been had these toys, remember? Mom and Dad just mailed them over here. Yeah, I know, but still. Look, ABCs. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. What's in our toy box? Our toys. I'm going to open that all the way. I want to see our toys. Woohoo. Yo, your ugly dolly is in there. Your mermaid Polly Pocket. It's not ugly. You're ugly. I am not ugly, sis. I'm older than you. No. Yes, I am. You're 2 years old and I'm 5. No. Yes, I am. I'm gonna go check out my room. Oh my god. I got a bigger room than you guys. And I guess I got a bigger room because I am older. That's awesome. Wait, we got here at 6:27? Wow. Oh my gosh, my makeup. And my brush. My books. Everything is here. Oh my gosh, this bed is so comfortable than my last one. Oh, it's so hot in here. There's actually windows that can open. It's so dark outside. Why? Well, tomorrow's morning still will be great. Oh my gosh, this is awesome! Check all this out. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm gonna go look around. Ooh, look at the living room. Oh, let me fix this pillow. It must look neat. Wow, this place is beautiful. Oh, the lights turn on as well. Great. Oh, wow, that's just awesome. I'm gonna watch some TV. Oh, some soda at the table. Delicious. I'm gonna have some. Wow, this place is just wonderful. I'm gonna go look outside. What's out here? Wow, it's beautiful outside. The sun's setting. Oh, I'm gonna go check out upstairs in our bedroom. Let's go check out our bedroom upstairs. I'll be right there. Wow, this is just beautiful. Oh, it's so hot in here. Let's open up some windows. Wow, what's in the drawers? I don't think there's anything in them. We just moved in. Oh yeah, nothing in it. Oh, here's your book. Hun, I'll sleep on this side while you sleep on that side, because your book is there. Okay. Whoa, there's even a front porch out here. Check it out. So pretty. Come look at this. I will. Let me put my purse down. Oh gosh. This purse. Okay. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna get this purse on my hands. This is just wonderful. Yeah. I'm just so glad we got this home. Me too. I'm gonna go inside, go read a book. Yeah, let's do that. It's pretty late anyway. Oh, I love this book. Oh, yeah. What you doing on the computer? Oh, I'm just searching up some furniture. And, and looking for a school for the girls to go in. And our son, of course. What should I do now? Let me do my makeup. Brother, let's play toys. I'm tired. Fine, I'm gonna go practice ABCs, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna ask Mom and Dad if I can use their tablet. Mom, Dad, can I use your tablet? Yeah, it's in the locker. Oh my gosh, I love this show. I'm gonna go get the kids to bed now. Alright. Daughter, time to go to bed. Your brother's already asleep. Time for you. Come on. At least you get to sleep in a nice, comfortable bed. It's better than the other one. Yeah, you're right. Daughter, 5 more minutes. You can't stay up all night. All right, Mama.